put the sort gates in September of 2024. Right away, I noticed my intakes actually went up. When I started not locking cows, I actually thought I would see a decrease because I wasn't standing that cow up, but it did the opposite. So right away, we noticed an increase in intakes, which obviously translates to milk, right? When we were doing it before, we're just locking up 4 AI pens. We would lock all of them up every morning. We'd do the first 2 pens and then finish those and then go do the next 2 pens. There were days, especially on heavy breeding days, I wasn't getting done until 11 o'clock. And now most days we're done with all cow treatments, breeding by 7:30. And heat detection too, that's something I used to take a lot of pride in. And so when we went to the activity system, I would chalk cows and I would heat detect along with the collars. Is it as good as me? Come the first vet check, they didn't do so good. The ones that I thought were hot and NEDAP said were not hot. But what had to happen was I needed to learn to trust the collars. I don't lock cows anymore to go heat detect. I don't use chalk anymore. So trusting the collars has been probably one of the biggest changes for me. I still breed for sure 1 day a week to give my guy a day off, but now I'm able to spend more time building relationship with my milkers in the barn or my feeder and doing other management things that I was kind of neglecting just because I thought, well, breeding is my most important thing. One of the main reasons that has really nothing to do with cows or heat stress or anything like that is because I wanted to spend more time with my family. Young kids playing sports and stuff, I want to make it to their games on Saturday morning. There was a lot of times before we did this that I wasn't able to go because I just wasn't done, right? Getting to spend time with them doing that is really, it's meant a whole lot to me. Doing something to make this dairy a little bit better is something that drives me every day, for sure.